We all love seeing stuff blow up. Whether it's in an action film, at a rock show, or wrestling match, pyrotechnics are used far and wide. But some of these fiery outbursts are the result of a simple chemistry project. And we know this thanks to science! It's called a thermite reaction, a fancy term for what happens when you mix aluminum with rust. That's right, finally an exciting purpose for that orange decay on your old hoopty. One way to make your own rust is to leave a pair of nails in salt water overnight, but who has the patience for that? Try scraping an old chain or pipe wrench to get it. In order for the reaction to work properly, you'll need 2 grams of rust powder for every 1 gram of aluminum powder, which you can make by shredding foil in a blender. Place the mixtures into a safe container in either an open or shielded area, then add a fuse and step back.
There we go.
The more thermite you use, the bigger sparks you'll get. Yes, a pyro's wet dream. A dream that you must never try unless you are a trained professional. How's it work? Well, in layman's terms, it's a case of the scorching hot metal versus the scorching hot flame. Since the aluminum powder is a metal, it readily loses electrons, making it give off a large amount of energy, while the rust, also known as iron oxide, readily gives off oxygen atoms, making it convert that energy to heat. When mixed together, they form an exothermic reaction, which means it gives off a lot of heat. So with the addition of a flame to the equation, you get an explosive amount of energy released in short bursts of heat and light, hence the sparks. A similar reaction occurs in the ignition of fireworks and dynamite, but only with thermite do you get this in the end, molten iron, which is a melted rock that looks just like lava. So what have we learned today? That aluminum plus rust equals a snap, crackle, and pop. But if anyone asks you why, just tell them it's science!